Hello class, my name is Anthony Akub and I'm a third year public health policy major. I'm going to be doing my nutritional presentation on health in Iran. To start off, the eating styles and food cultures. So Persian food is what they typically call it. It consists of a lot of small amounts of red meat, and the toppings in the red meat are usually going to be spicy. The spicy toppings in the red meat have a lot of sodium. This eating style in Iran also emphasizes a large amount of grains. Typically, it's going to be rice. They also eat fruits and vegetables. It's not very common, but it is part of their diet. And they have a flatbread bread called naan, which is served with the meals. And this flatbread, as you can see on the right, is typically eaten with the meat. They either have or red meat. What they call this chicken red meat is a kebab. And kebab is fewer little bits and pieces of meat on the skin. They also put vegetables in between, and then season that like meat. And like I said, they consider Persian, and their food consists of. What you see on there is a typical that they'll eat. There is some, but it's not very common within eating lifestyle. Typically more meat, rice. They'll have various food rice. Their most will be rice. Their most foods include disease. It's going to be their top killer, with over 100 things dying per disease. That is a very it's high in diseases that are in Iran. A couple others that are also common is chronic kidney. This disease is typical among people who are big age. Usually people 70 have this, and then it isn't. Another disease, coronary artery, which accounts for 9% of all deaths. This is by a high fat with high clog in the arteries, then the coronary artery disease that slide. Said cardiovascular top killer. And so health issues. Iran has a bad habit. They're very common in diabetes and hypertension. It causes illnesses and disease. And Iran also has the highest rate of infections, diseases. Their patients contract HIV to intercourse often than with drug use. Drug use to contract. In this case, in Iran, more so. Looking at the image below, in that country are 2% of their problem, which is a problem because where they're eating, that is living, and there's also a big amount. But speaking about health, and health is a big thing that and dealt with as soon. Between nutrition and health is the health, lack of diet, fitness, sanitation, also healthy water. Sometimes taken for countries like the States, just because it's everybody, but it's actually not so. It is hard to find water, which is the reason why diseases are in this country. On top of their lifestyle that they have, doing the gym or just involved than they are, but the lack of fitters and to diet, which also contributes. Unhealthy bodies are not involved with either lifting or just to prevent not only that, but just the lifestyle and increase or decrease contracting. Like I said, it consists of a lot of meat and carbs like rice. The reason why nutrition is their health issues. Meat includes sodium and take a fat. Carbs are what contribute to obesity as well, with bread. These things are the diet. High in foods are what contributing to or their lifestyle. So carbs and kidney disease are actually because cardiovascular kidney disease occur due to a high could be decreased fitness involved running or active, so healthier eating. High blood pressure rises from salt, fat, cholesterol diet. Like I said before, the diets in Iran consume high salt because of use into the seasoning that fat and cholesterol within their red meats, or just most of the food that the Persian food and salt due to the seasoning, like I just said. Alright, interesting. So Iranian impacted by globalization, food choice wasn't observed. The reason why is their culture and targeted than food choice. Their food choice, and they can in that sense what they eat. They in terms of just things change as time progressed. Their profile was just mentioned. Vascular disease, chronic kidney disease are affected. And why is because that this in our correlation cardiovascular chronic kidney disease just because of sodium, fat, which increases your cholesterol. I found online, which is in food culture, the P does not allow owned companies, even in the form. It means is that allow McDonald's, any other branch like that too. There are to be done to their eating habits. Fast food restaurant, so still have a way to go, right track in that sense. To their diets and well-being in the country would be to introduce alternatives to eating now. Eating so much, they can eat more in greens and vegetables rather than red meat. Good, but it shouldn't just less how much they consume. Reason why is in the red meat, and that to a lot of diseases. Water was a problem and sanitation. They should try and get should try and have drinking water that is so I guess pure as it is. That's what the government to try and implement their policy and clean water for drink soda. Vegetables in their daily diet, well-being, and the diet completely, but in some cases just increase and so away from the disease that I mentioned earlier. Exercise and help to prevent cardiovascular disease and coronary. The reason why is if you look mostly coronary arteries because eliminate fat storage in the body that can cause disease is because lifting helps from fat muscle and having fat in your body can be because fat is running of the artery leading to coronary artery disease. Something simple, just doing a couple weights aren't excessive, would implement or should be getting coronary arteries, which is one of in Iran. Solutions I provided are simple, help change dynamic country and their habits or poor habits that they have now. And there are maybe a few bunch in the country eating habits. They could still implement these solutions to lifestyle with minimal illness. So like I said, healthy eating and really benefit in staying their likelihood of disease could due to their habits in the country and or fit lifestyle that is introduced in that country. This is today, and I look forward to hearing you guys soon.